Hi everyone, I'm Zhonghan, also known as the Diami. I'm very excited to be here in Seoul, Korea for the Coex Food Week 2022 as I'm invited to check out all of the latest Korean food tech and food industry here. So it's my first time here in this Food Week 2022 and really nervous, but also at the same time very excited to be impressed by their Korean food technology and what the industry can offer. So I think it's really eye-opening for me because it's my first time attending such a big event, somehow it's overseas, and I'll be sharing with you a short glimpse about the event, I guess.